Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make these fluffy keto Belgian waffles. And let me just say, they were so delicious, and I was very surprised. So first, we're going to start off with the ingredients. And what you need is 1 cup of almond flour, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil or your oil of choice, 3 large eggs, 1/4 cup heavy cream, a 1/2 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And you could add cinnamon or other sweeteners if you want to. Next, you start by mixing all the ingredients into a bowl. First, I mix the dry ingredients, and I just mix those together. Then I add the wet ingredients, and after that, I just stir everything up. And it should be not too runny and not too thick. This is how mine came out. Next, you should already have your waffle maker already preheated, and I'm just taking butter so it won't stick, and this is unsalted butter. And then I'm just gonna start pouring half the batter into it. This makes 2 Belgian waffles. Let me just say that eating one of them was really filling. And after I add half the batter, I just go in with a spoon to even the batter out so it bakes evenly. And then I close it, and since I have a Belgian waffle maker, I have to flip mine. So I flip mine, and once the light turns green, I have to reflip it. And that's what I'm showing you guys here. It turned green, and then I flip it again. And I do the same thing for about 5 to 8 minutes, depending on how crispy you want your waffles. I did mine for about, I think, 7 minutes, and it was pretty crispy. It wasn't super crispy because I also had my settings on the lowest settings, and it turned green again, and I flipped it about 4 times. And now it is done, and I'm just gonna remove it and put it on a plate. And once I removed it, it did break because it does have cuts in the middle, but that was okay. I just put it back together, and honestly, I could have ate just half of one, to be honest. That was super full, but this is what it looks like. And next, I added this Canto maple flavor syrup. I hope I'm saying that right. And some Ready Whip, and I put about a tablespoon of the syrup on it. And I don't know, I just did a little bit of the Ready Whip, and I just had it with a few slices of bacon, and it was so good. I plan on making these more often. It does take up quite a bit of my carbs. It was about 7 net carbs per whole waffle, but like I said, it was super filling, and I didn't even want lunch or anything. And next time I'll probably just have a half of one and then have like a coffee or something in the afternoon. But yeah, that's it for this video. If you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe, and so we can have more keto recipes. Let me know if you guys like this and want to see more. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye now.